Welcome to this short video about how to build an effective search term. Building search term is one of the most important strategies in building a good systematic review and meta-analysis. Let us take an example about cabbage versus BCI renal transplant recipients. I want to perform a systematic review about this example. Okay, you should divide the major title into major pieces. So here we'll divide it into kidney transplant, cabbage, and BCI. We have to look for keywords in the published papers. Okay, so we'll make a random search about BCI, cabbage, and renal transplantation. I will take random included papers into my search. This is the meta-analysis we have did. Okay, so we will not add it. So this may be included, so I will take these keywords. This paper also they didn't report keywords. This paper didn't report keywords. Okay, I will collect all the keywords for the published papers. Okay, I should connect the keywords together. How should I connect? We have to use connectors like what, and or not. Okay, if I used and, I will add the red circle here, which is a shared part of the keywords like aspartame and cancer. Okay, if I used or, I will get the shared and not shared parts of the keywords. Okay, if I use not, I will exclude the shared parts of both keywords like AIDS and healing. So I collected all the keywords here for the three sections. So I will connect the major pieces using and. Why using and? To capture the shared circle. Why should I capture the shared circle like aspartame and cancer here? Because if I used or, I will get the other shared, the other not shared articles in that term. What does this mean? I may include some papers about renal transplantation, which does not have BCI or cabbage in this shared search term. So I may include not relevant papers in my search, which will increase the overload of the screened papers in my meta-analysis, which means huge effort and time consumed. Okay, I will have to connect the minor pieces using or. Why using or? To get the shared and not shared parts. What does this mean? Renal transplantation may be used as renal transplant. So I have to get all papers that use both shared and not shared. Okay. One other important item here is I have to use parentheses in the search in the single keyword. Okay. Why? Because some databases will consider renal transplantation, if I remove the parentheses here, as two renal transplantation here as two separate keywords. So I have to use parentheses for each keyword. Okay. How should I know that my search term was effective? This may be the supervisor rule. He may help you in that. However, you may have a rough estimation. If you estimate that the total included numbers may be 10, so in PubMed, you should multiply this number by 10 or 20. So if I include that estimated included number may be 10, so the roughly estimate PubMed results may be 10 multiplied by 10 equals 100. Let us take you into an example. Let us take you into an example of Parkinson here. This is one of the articles we did. Here in this systematic review, we included around 13 papers, so the PubMed results were 129. So you have an effective search term. However, this rough estimate may be decreased. So if we included 10 papers and roughly PubMed results may be 60, so do not worry, okay? However, it may be important if your PubMed results were too big. So does this mean that you have to re-edit your search term? The second issue, not all papers you will find by the search term. So you have to do manual search because those papers use different keywords than the common keywords. Those papers may be included in your study, and missing them may be bias your final results. So I have to make a search term to capture all those missed papers. Building search term, you will learn it by experience, and your supervisor should take a major role in learning you about that. However, this is a short guide for you.